LearnDash Learning Management System Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my LearnDash Learning Management System Review. Links to the product are in the description below. LearnDash is a powerful WordPress-based LMS that is designed to help organizations, educators, and trainers build and manage online courses with ease. It's highly regarded for its flexibility, scalability, and extensive set of features, making it a top choice for businesses, universities, and independent course creators alike. One of the standout features of LearnDash is its user-friendly interface. Setting up a course is simple, and the drag-and-drop course builder allows you to create structured, engaging learning experiences without needing coding knowledge. It supports various content formats, such as videos, quizzes, assignments, and certificates, making it easy to deliver a variety of learning materials. LearnDash offers robust gamification tools, such as points, badges, and certificates, which significantly boost learner engagement. It also integrates well with popular WordPress plugins, allowing you to add e-commerce capabilities, social learning features, and advanced reporting tools. The flexibility to integrate with platforms like WooCommerce, PayPal, and Stripe also means you can sell your courses and generate revenue directly through the platform. Another key feature is LearnDash's powerful reporting and analytics. As an administrator, you can track learner progress, generate detailed reports, and make data-driven decisions to improve course delivery and learner engagement. With built-in drip feed content, you can release course material on a schedule, ensuring learners progress at a steady pace. LearnDash also excels in scalability, allowing you to easily scale your course offerings, from a small educational site to a large corporate training solution. Whether you're offering a few courses or managing a massive library, LearnDash provides the tools and support to grow your learning platform efficiently. In conclusion, LearnDash is an excellent learning management system for anyone looking to create, sell, and manage online courses. Its powerful features, flexibility, and seamless integrations make it an ideal choice for WordPress users. For more details, check the links in the description below.